4 flights, 10 days, same route, same aircraft, and cargo that nobody is explaining. Yes, a massive Russian military transport plane. It has reportedly flown back and forth to Tehran 4 times, and that too in just over a week. Not once, not twice, 4 rotations. That's what we're talking about. And each time carrying undisclosed cargo. There is no public manifest, no official breakdown, just a heavy transport jet landing, unloading, and leaving. And that too very quietly. But let me tell you, it is not unnoticed here. Flight tracking data picked it up. Analysts, they began asking questions because the timing matters. And this time, it is explosive. Right now, nuclear negotiations involving Iran, they are ongoing in Geneva. Diplomats are talking. Sanctions are being debated. And there are press conferences that are measured. But in the background, cargo planes are flying. Reports suggest that Iran recently finalized the major arms understanding with Russia, worth thousands of millions of euros. And you know what the focus is? Short-range air defense system, portable missile launchers, thousands of missiles designed to hit low-flying aircraft. And it matters because modern warfare begins in the sky. Control the air, control the battlefield. And if Iran is strengthening its low-altitude defenses, it becomes harder to strike from above. Harder to conduct quick aerial operations, harder to intimidate. One of the reported systems, it involves a 9K333 Vorba, a shoulder-fired missile platform. It is portable, it is mobile, and it is deadly against helicopters, against drones, against low-flying jets. Paired with thousands of 9M336 missiles. Now that is not symbolic, that is stockpiling. Now, as the bigger question, is Washington prepared? Because while negotiations unfold publicly, military balance shifts quietly. 4 flights in 10 days is not a routine logistics. It signals urgency. And remember here, the second 7-6, it is not a small cargo plane here. It's built to carry tanks, heavy equipment, and large payloads. When it flies repeatedly to the same destination during tense diplomacy, it do raise eyebrows. Now, from Moscow's perspective, it is strategic partnership. From Tehran's perspective, well, defense strengthening is there, but from Washington's perspective, it's a warning sign. Imagine the scenario: if talks collapse, then what would happen? If pressure increases, then what would happen? If confrontation escalates, what will happen? A stronger Iranian air defense network changed calculation overnight, and suddenly any strike becomes riskier. It becomes costlier and more unpredictable. So, is this preparation for deterrence or preparation for conflict? Well, that depends on who you ask.